Difference between refined steel profile and ordinary steel. The most outstanding feature of refined steel profile is that it has the same surface flatness and straightness as aluminum profile, and the outer angle presents a 90-degree right angle. In the glass curtain wall, under the same span condition, the advantage of the refined steel of strong system is that it can achieve smaller volume, more flexible section and more transparent lighting effect compared with the aluminum profile. Most ordinary steel products are galvanized square tubes or hot-rolled rectangular steel tubes, which have large external or angle, rough appearance, insufficient straightness and large bending deformation, and cannot be used in high-quality glass curtain wall projects. There is no difference between the raw materials of refined steel profiles and ordinary steel in essence, but there are great differences in the processing of basic materials. Raw materials of corresponding brands can be customized according to the needs of customers for different purposes. For example, 304-316 stainless steel, Q235, Q345, Q355 and other carbon structural steels. The processing technology of refined steel profiles is generally divided into two types: thin-wall cold-formed refined steel and assembly and welding refined steel. Thin-wall cold-formed refined steel refers to the steel plate with a wall thickness of less than or equal to 3 mm, which is directly processed by rolling forming. The assembly and welding of refined steel is laser cutting, which is completed through laser automatic assembly and welding and other processes. Whether it is cold-formed refined steel or assembly and welding refined steel, after the section is assembled and formed, the final product can only be processed through multiple processes again. For example, the straightness has been straightened for many times, the anti-corrosion sandblasting and derusting pretreatment, the flatness has been repeatedly ground and polished, and the surface has been anti-corrosion sprayed for many times. In this process, the loss is large and the cost is high. The refined steel profile of strong system adopts the unique patented technology of mortise and tenon assembly, which ensures the structural strength and stability of the refined steel profile to a greater extent. Ordinary steel galvanized pipe or hot-rolled rectangular pipe does not need post-processing, nor can it reduce the volume through cavity strengthening. It can only increase the strength by increasing the section. Ordinary steel is bulky, rounded, and has poor visual effect. The refined steel profile of strong system adopts the fabricated structure. All accessories are produced in the factory, while ordinary steel needs to be processed on site. Due to the advantages of the fabricated structure of strong system, all parts and components of refined steel profiles are produced and processed in the factory. When they arrive at the project site, they only need to be assembled like building blocks. The requirements for site conditions and workers' skills are not high, and the speed and efficiency are high. The on-site processing of ordinary steel products not only has high environmental protection requirements and site requirements, but also has high requirements for workers' technology and operation qualification. The fabricated structure can save a lot of unnecessary expenses for the engineering unit. For other refined steel requirements and related profile issues, please visit the official website www.strong-sys.com or call the 24-hour service hotline at 400-860-6978.